Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the primary node and the network credentials so the rest of the mesh can join reliably. Connect the modem to the main mesh unit with Ethernet, then power it on. This gives you a wired backbone for initial configuration. Once done, open the vendor app, sign in or create an account, and enter your SSID and password. Doing this now ensures consistent settings across nodes and avoids later mismatches during mesh expansion. Next, you'll add satellite nodes and optimize placement so coverage extends without dropping speed. Follow the app's add node flow. The LEDs will guide pairing, and the app confirms a healthy link. Place each satellite roughly halfway to problem areas, avoiding thick walls and large metal objects. If you can, connect satellites with Ethernet for wired backhaul. This reduces latency and increases throughput. Make sure to test signal strength in the app before finally you'll finalize settings, validate performance, and learn a key troubleshooting step. Run speed tests and verify seamless roaming between nodes. The app's topology view helps identify weak links. Make sure firmware auto update is enabled and configure a guest network if needed for visitors. If devices don't roam or speeds are poor, reboot the nodes and check Ethernet backhaul. Only perform a factory reset if pairing repeatedly fails. This reset clears misconfigurations, but requires redoing setup, so use it as a last measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.